Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS 100 questions for the all competitive examinations, that is central government jobs as well as defense as well as railway jobs. So let us see what we have been given in the part 29. I request you guys to check playlist whatever has been given. So already up to part 28 it has been discussed. You can have a look in the playlist. So let us see what we have initially. Maithon in Bihar generates hydel power. This is one thing we have to remember. Whatever the Maithon in Bihar, that generates hydel power. So it means whatever it generates, it's a hydel power. It is generated. INC was founded by A.O. Hume. We should remember that Indian National Congress was founded by A.O. Hume. Next we have the resolution of Purna Swaraj, that is complete independence, was passed at the Lahore Congress in the year that is 1929. So whatever the Purna Swaraj, this resolution, it was passed in the Lahore, that is in the year 1929. You can see at the right side how exactly that the Purna Swaraj has been taken place in the 1929. The famous formula that Swaraj must be for the masses and not the classes alone was enunciated by Chittaranjan Das. He is also known as Desh Bandhu. Please remember the famous formula that Swaraj must be for the masses and not the classes alone was enunciated by C.R. Das. So this is one thing we have to remember. Next we have the formation of Azad Hind government was announced on, that is 21st of October 1943. It has announced. So whatever the formation of Azad Hind government, it was announced on 21st October 1943. The South Africa who fought a long battle against apartheid, I already discussed. The apartheid is racial discrimination. This is the leader Nelson Mandela had fought against the black people, whatever was happened in South Africa. Next we have Sundarlal Bahuguna, a famous environmentalist. He is associated with the Chipko movement. As you can see to the right side, the whole Chipko movement was happened in the place of West Bengal. That Sundarlal Bahuguna, so he was famous environmentalist. People used to make a circle around the plant or trees, so protect against cutting of the trees. That is called Chipko movement. The Women's Day is celebrated on which day? That is on 8th March, the Women's Day is celebrated. Next we have the commonest cancer in Indian population, that is we used to eat the tobacco and that resultant maximum cancer in the mouth. Hay fever and asthma belong to the category of allergies. Please remember whatever the asthma as well as hay fever, that belongs to the category of allergies. The function of a catalyst in a reaction is to increase the rate of the reaction. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the function of catalyst, we knew that there is a catalyst in the milk which directly converts from the milk to curd, that is lactobacillus. The reason of having that catalyst is, the main function is to increase the rate of that reaction from becoming from the milk to curd. The hormone that regulates the basal metabolism in our body is secreted from thyroid gland. Please remember this, guys. This is one thing you have to remember. That looks like in the shape of butterfly. So this is the thyroid gland, the hormone that regulates the basal metabolism. As you can see, the thyroxine, pituitary gland, that is for the help of growth hormone. Parathyroid, that is for the parathormone. Adrenal glands, that is secreted what hormone? That is adrenaline. Pancreas secretes insulin. Testis, testosterone. Ovaries, what we have? Progesterone. This is one thing you have to remember. Next we have, I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join me on Defense ICT Telegram. There are more than 800 plus question papers for various examinations. This is one thing which has been segregated into various lists. Next we have the use of echolocation for the avoiding obstacles while flying by bats. We knew that bats are the one which make ultrasonic sound. Even the mosquitoes also makes ultrasonic sound. The bat which is used the echoes location whatever the ultrasonic sound to avoid obstacles while flying or to have the prey. The natural wax and lac are obtained as insect secretion. You can see the ant how exactly the insect secretion take place. So this is one thing you have to remember. Natural wax and lac of the insect, they are all obtained as an insect secretion. Milk has sweet taste of its own due to a certain sugar present in it. So whatever the milk, it is of near about little bit sweet taste of its own due to certain sugar present in it, whereas the curd prepared from the milk is sour. The change involves conversion is, that is from the lactose that directly gets converted into lactic acid. We knew that whatever the lactobacillus bacteria is the main reason to convert from the lactose into the lactic acid. Next we have the soil with poor water holding capacity is, that is clay soil. Please remember guys, whatever the soil with poor water holding capacity is due to the clay only. The following is a result of surface tension, that is capillary action. We knew that sucking of the oil from the oil wick, that is one thing, the oil lamp, as well as we have the various experiments towards the capillary action. It's a result of surface tension only. Allah Rakha Khan, we knew that he is the guy is associated with the tabla, so he plays tabla, very nice. Allah Rakha Khan, we should remember Wah Taj. There is one more tabla is, that is we should remember Bismillah Khan is for the Sahanai, and A.R. Rahman is a music composer. Allah Rakha Khan, there is one more tabla is who will come in the advertisement, Wah Taj, that is Zakir Hussain. So he is one of the best player in tabla. The Environment Day is celebrated on which day? That is celebrated on 5th zone. Trapping is associated with which sports? That is, we knew that the trapping as well as dribbling, they are found in the football. Next we have the transfer of genetic information from one generation to other is accomplished by DNA. This is one thing, whatever the transfer of genetic information from one generation to other, which can be recognized with the help of deoxyribonucleic acid. We knew that this is the only source from where we can find out whether the child is from the same father or whatever the clue from the DNA only. The first electric train started in India from Bombay to Pune. This is one thing you have to remember. Maiden electric train started in India from Mumbai to Pune. The Roman Magsaysay Award is named after the president of Philippines. You can see to the right side how exactly he looks like. He is the guy, the president of Philippines. The Roman Magsaysay Award is named. India is divided into the postal zones of, you comment me in this section, in how many zones the India had been divided into various postal zones. India's oldest planetarium is located in which place? That is located in Calcutta. Even the oldest museum which is located in which place? That is located in Calcutta. So planetarium as well as the oldest museum is located in Calcutta itself. Alice in Wonderland. There is a movie, we knew that, Alice in Wonderland, the famous serial being telecast on Doordarshan. Previously they used to telecast on Doordarshan, which is based on a book written by, so who is that author? As you can see to the right side how exactly, Lewis Carroll. He is the guy, he had composed that whatever the book, that is Alice in Wonderland. Even the movie has come regarding this. You can go in a YouTube. The largest locomotive factory in India is located at which place? That is located at Chittaranjan. We knew that there is a place Chittaranjan where the largest locomotive factory, that is concerning to the railway bogies. So that is located in Chittaranjan. The child is the father of the man. This is the statement has been given by, we knew that William Wordsworth is a good poet. He given the statement that is the child is the father of the man. Next we have the chemical name of common salt, that is sodium chloride is the chemical name for the common salt. Next we have the Indus Valley people had trade relations with Mesopotamia. This is one thing you have to remember. So Indus Valley people had trade relationship with whom? With the Mesopotamia. Pallava kings are remembered as the makers of rock cut temple at Mahabalipuram. Please remember guys, whoever the Pallava kings are, they are remembered as the makers of the rock cut temples at Mahabalipuram. The British Governor General who formulated the policy of subsidiary alliance with regard to Indian power was that is Lord Wellesley. As you can see to the right side how exactly the Lord Wellesley looks like. He is the British Governor General who had formulated the policy of subsidiary alliance. So please remember who formulated the policy of subsidiary alliance, that is Lord Wellesley. Next we have, these are the few questions which I have compiled. So this is my mobile number guys. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me directly. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.